New pickup just came out today, November 13th, Friday the 13th. Everybody's going crazy for the new PS5 and the Xbox. While me, on the other hand, I'm a Nintendo guy. So in my hand, I have the 2020 Nintendo Game Watch. Comes with a color screen. That's how the box looks on the outside. Got your barcode on the back. They tell you got Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers The Lost Land, ball, and you have a clock. And it gives you a little rundown. And it has one of the levels from the Mario Brothers game printed on there. On the side, small print, important notice, tell you about the battery, tell you what's included, the Game Watch, Super Mario Bros. System, and the USB charging cable. Other side, SM35, Nintendo, brand new, sealed. Picked this up from GameStop, $49.99. These are sold out. It ended up rounded as like $55, but it was like $54 and some change. So that being said, first hand look, I'm gonna go ahead and open this, see what we got. I never owned one of these before, so I'm pretty excited. Go ahead, slide it out the pack. Oh, I gotta cut both sides. Hold on. Slice the other side. I already noticed something. So you see this? The plastic cover it comes in is separate. So on the box, it has the old school version that was black and white. And then the case that covers it is in color. Like that. So you slide it, black and white, color, black and white, color. And then it has the level on there. Like I said, you can see that. So we'll set that up in the back. It says color, Game Watch, and ball. We already sliced this, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. $400, $500 on the Xbox, PS5 versus $50 on this. I mean, there's only 3 games, but I mean, this is a classic. Can't go wrong. Comes with your instructions, your user guide, tells you how to charge it, blah, blah, blah. USB cable, you notice it's Type-C. The world is switching up. Everything is Type-C now. Go ahead and pull this. You can rip, well, don't rip it. So small. Very teeny, tiny. Fit in the palm of your hand. Says Game Watch in white and black. It's gold. It's like a Zelda color. Red. It says Nintendo. On the back, you got your barcode, all your information. On the side, you have your power button and your USB port. That being, since it's Type-C, that makes it better since everything is Type-C now. So you can just charge it with your cell phone charger, your headphone charger, whatever you have. It'll fit in there. Go ahead and power this on. That's very clear. So it says press time button to set the time. So press time, 12 o'clock. And that's real nice. So it's 350 where I'm at. Oh, that's changing the background. You change the background to different levels. Go down, set time. Give it 1 minute ahead. It's 350, give it 1 minute ahead. Well, actually it's 351, so 1 minute ahead. That's it. And you press time, it changed the background to the different levels. So that press game, get started. Super Mario Bros., Super Mario Bros. 2, and ball. so tiny. Volume. I don't know if you can change the volume on it. But yeah, Nintendo Game Watch just released today, Friday the 13th, November 13th. First hand look. I like it. Screen is clear. Very small, not what you're used to. But press game, that kind of pauses it, takes it back. It's just like the cell phone. If you look at the top, it has your time, and then it has 2 bars of the battery showing you. So I'm guessing that's like 50%. But yeah, see how, oh, power button, turn it off. Oh, and it stays. It's on pause, so I turned it off. I'm gonna turn it back on, see if it stay in the same spot. Pretty sure it does, yeah. Pause. Oh, turn your volume up and down, your brightness, and then reset game. Makes you start over. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Nintendo Game Watch 2020 version unboxing.